Good morning. Today is September 11, 2024, and we just had the CPI news release and ran stops to the downside, both in Q and ES, and then moved back to the scene of the crime, and now we're squeezing the shorts, getting back above the highs from yesterday on NQ. ES is almost there. We were struggling here to get above the weekly pivot on both ES and NQ, but NQ just got way above it. ES is still in the process of it. It's above it, but not as much as NQ. And not much has changed since yesterday. And I'm still looking to see if we can hold Thursday's value when the market opens. Usually, whatever happens in the overnight session, we want to validate it during the RTH hours when most of the players are participating. So just the fact that we're breaking these highs doesn't mean that necessarily that we're going to hold it when the market opens. So we want to keep that in mind and see if this value from Thursday holds. You can see there that we're just attempting to get in there. So if it holds, what I'm looking for is it's a move through value. For ES, I'm looking to retest this area where the 50 moving average is and the 21 EMA, which is at 55.30 to 40. And if we get above that, then I'm looking for 55.60, which is that low volume node right here. And this is where we have two untested highs from last week. And for NQ, I'm looking pretty much the same. This is the 19,000 is the magnet here. If we hold above the value area low from Thursday, I'm looking for 19,000 and then some resistance here right above it at 1930. Now, if we're not able to hold this, then I'm looking for more balance and more back and forth price action between the weekly weekly pivot area, and getting below the overnight low, looking for to retest this lows right here. There's some support here, 55.40 on ES and at 18,570 on NQ. So I'm looking for those areas for a reversal and see if the buyers defend those areas. And right now you can see that the 5-day point of control is here at 54.80 on ES. So maybe if we don't get that rally that we're looking for, maybe the 20-day point of control eventually could shift down here if we keep trading down to the 54.80 level. So that's that's the other option. Tomorrow we have more inflation report numbers, so it could be that we have more balance, and then tomorrow we will make the next move. Either accept this current balance in this current range, or go back to the previous area. Crude oil got to the area where we were looking for. Not 64, but right ahead of it, we found buyers. You see that we were selling off and then kept trying to get lower, and there was a lot of accumulation here. And now buyers are, we found some buyers And as long as we hold this area at 66.80, then I think we're gonna move into this low 69s and then eventually the 70 area that I mentioned before. But if we get below the 66.80, then I'll look for a retest of this consolidation area from yesterday down here at 66.20 and then 65.80. But we're in this range right here. This is the range, and the area with most volume here is around the 70 area, right below it. And gold, nothing new, still in the same range, still trading in this range. So we got a little bit of sellers here, but we're on this and this, and like we have everything, the 5-day, the 20-day, the 90-day point of control, they're all here. So this is acceptance. This shows acceptance. So any failed attempt to break out of this range, you can fade it into the point of control here. Today we have we already have the CPI numbers, we have crude oil inventories, and we have the 10-year note auction at 1 p.m. So keep an eye on that one too. And good luck to everybody. Tomorrow's PPI and jobless claims. So another day for waiting for more news. All right, good luck.